London is certainly expensive, but not everything here has to be. Whether you're in town for a weekend or sightseeing for the day, you can see most of the London landmarks by foot for free. Starting at Tower Hill Station, the first thing you will see as you exit will be the Tower of London. The Tower of London is one of the world's most famous fortresses and has seen service as a royal palace, prison, armoury, and even a zoo. Follow the path around the tower and you will see London's most famous bridge, Tower Bridge. One of the most iconic attractions in London, the bridge was designed and built for Queen Victoria and completed in 1894 and stands 140 feet above the city. Once across the bridge, head down to South Bank. From there, follow the River West. The first thing you will see is the City Hall, the headquarters of the Greater London Authority. Just up on the right, you will see HMS Belfast, the most significant surviving warship from World War II. She is now permanently moored as a museum. Next, continue through the amazing Hayes Gallery and you will come to Borough Market, one of the country's most famous foodie spots. Borough has been home to the market for millennia due to its connections to both the north and south side of the city. Continue along and the next thing you will reach is Shakespeare's Globe Theatre, a reconstruction of the original Globe Theatre, an Elizabethan playhouse for which William Shakespeare wrote his plays. Cross the Millennium Bridge directly across and you will find St Paul's Cathedral. Designed by Sir Christopher Wren after the Great Fire of London, St Paul's Cathedral has been here for more than 1400 years. Back on the southern side of the river, there's the Tate Modern, London's free national museum of modern and contemporary art. Continuing along the South Bank, you'll walk past the Book Market and the Skate Space before arriving at the unmistakable London Eye, located right in the heart of the city. Over Westminster Bridge, you will see the Houses of Parliament and a scaffold-covered Big Ben. Continue along and you will find St Margaret's Church with Westminster Abbey just behind. Afterwards, head along Parliament Street, past the heavily guarded 10 Downing Street, and you will find London's famous Horse Guards. At the end of the street, you will find Trafalgar Square, one of the most important and bustling squares in London. Lastly, follow them out or take a detour through St James's Park, the oldest royal park in London, to finish at the Queen's official London residence, Buckingham Palace. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.